Imagine a machine powerful enough to crush a car, shape glowing steel into precise forms, or generate hundreds of tons of force with the push of a single button. Despite this enormous power, the core principle behind a hydraulic press is surprisingly elegant and simple. Instead of relying on massive gears or complicated mechanical systems, it uses one of the most fundamental principles in physics: pressure inside a liquid. But how can a relatively small input force be transformed into enough power to bend metal and reshape some of the strongest materials used in industry? The foundation of every hydraulic press is Pascal's law, a principle discovered in the 17th century by the French physicist Blaise Pascal. This law states that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions throughout the fluid. In practical terms, if you push on a liquid inside a sealed system, the pressure spreads instantly and evenly everywhere inside that system. This simple concept is what allows hydraulic systems to multiply force so effectively. A hydraulic press typically consists of two cylinders of different sizes, connected by pipes filled with hydraulic fluid, usually oil. Inside each cylinder is a piston. The smaller piston is where the input force is applied, either manually or by a hydraulic pump. When pressure is created in the fluid, that same pressure reaches the larger piston. Because the larger piston has a much greater surface area, the resulting output force becomes dramatically larger. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. This is the key to hydraulic force multiplication. Pressure itself remains the same throughout the system, but force depends on both pressure and surface area. A small force applied to a small piston can therefore generate an enormous force at a larger piston simply because the pressure acts across a much bigger area. The hydraulic press does not create energy from nothing. It converts a smaller force over a short distance into a larger force over a greater surface. This principle is what makes hydraulic presses so important in modern industry. They are capable of generating controlled, massive amounts of force while maintaining precision and smooth movement. From automotive manufacturing to heavy metal forming and industrial recycling, hydraulic presses have become one of the most powerful and versatile machines ever developed. For a hydraulic press to function in real industrial conditions, the system needs far more than just two pistons connected by fluid. It must be capable of generating, controlling, and maintaining extremely high pressure safely and efficiently. At the center of this entire process is the hydraulic pump, which acts as the heart of the system. The pump draws hydraulic oil from a reservoir and forces it into the hydraulic circuit. Interestingly, the pump itself does not directly create pressure. Instead, it creates fluid flow, while pressure develops only when that flow encounters resistance inside the system. The hydraulic fluid plays a critical role in the operation of the press. This is not ordinary oil, but a specially engineered fluid designed to withstand extreme pressure, high temperatures, and continuous mechanical stress. One of the most important properties of hydraulic oil is that it is nearly incompressible. Unlike gases, which compress easily, hydraulic fluid transfers pressure almost instantly, and with very little energy loss. This allows hydraulic systems to transmit force with exceptional precision and efficiency. Once the pump begins pushing oil into the cylinder, pressure builds behind the piston and creates linear motion. Depending on the design of the system, this movement can be incredibly slow and precise or extremely fast and powerful. Modern hydraulic presses can generate forces ranging from a few tons to several thousand tons, allowing them to deform thick steel plates, compress industrial waste, or manufacture precision-engineered components with microscopic tolerances. To control all of this force safely, hydraulic systems rely on a network of valves. These valves regulate the direction, speed, and pressure of the hydraulic fluid moving through the system. Directional control valves determine where the fluid flows, allowing the piston to extend or retract. Pressure relief valves protect the system from overload by redirecting fluid back to the reservoir if pressure exceeds safe limits. Flow control valves regulate movement speed, ensuring smooth and controlled operation during pressing. The combination of the hydraulic pump, incompressible fluid, and precision valve control is what gives hydraulic presses their extraordinary capabilities. Instead of relying on massive mechanical transmissions, the system uses fluid pressure as a flexible and highly controllable method of transmitting energy. This allows even relatively compact machines to generate forces powerful enough to reshape metal, compress industrial materials, or operate massive manufacturing equipment. Once hydraulic pressure begins acting on the main piston, the stored energy inside the fluid is transformed into enormous mechanical force. This is where the true power of a hydraulic press becomes visible. Unlike many mechanical systems that deliver force only during certain parts of their movement, hydraulic presses can apply smooth and controlled pressure continuously throughout the entire stroke. This ability to maintain consistent force gives them a major advantage in industrial applications that require both power and precision. One of the most important uses of hydraulic presses is metal forming. In the automotive industry, massive hydraulic presses shape large steel sheets into complex body panels for cars and trucks. During this process, a metal sheet is placed between specially designed dies, and the press applies hundreds or even thousands of tons of force to reshape the material into an exact form within seconds. The precision of hydraulic control allows manufacturers to produce identical components repeatedly with extremely small tolerances. Hydraulic presses are also widely used in forging and manufacturing heavy industrial parts. Heated metal can be compressed under extreme pressure to improve its internal structure and create components with exceptional strength. Because hydraulic systems can maintain pressure for long periods, they are especially useful for processes where materials need time to fully deform into shape. Mechanical presses often deliver force in short bursts, while hydraulic presses can sustain pressure steadily and evenly. Beyond manufacturing, hydraulic presses are heavily used in recycling and waste processing. Large industrial presses compress scrap metal, crush vehicles, and compact waste materials into dense blocks that are easier to transport and recycle. Some hydraulic presses are capable of generating such enormous pressure that they can fundamentally alter the structure of materials at the microscopic level. Specialized high-pressure systems are even used in advanced scientific and industrial applications where materials are subjected to extreme conditions. Modern hydraulic presses are no longer controlled purely by mechanical levers. Advanced systems now include sensors, computer control units, and digital monitoring systems that constantly analyze pressure, piston position, temperature, and load conditions. Operators can precisely program movement speed, force curves, and pressure limits depending on the specific task being performed. In some systems, the press automatically adjusts its behavior in real time to optimize efficiency, precision, and safety. Despite their incredible strength, hydraulic presses operate under extremely demanding conditions, and this creates major engineering challenges. When a hydraulic system is working at pressures that can exceed hundreds of bars, every single component must withstand enormous mechanical stress. Cylinders, seals, valves, hoses, and fittings all experience continuous pressure loads that can become dangerous if even a small failure occurs. A tiny crack, damaged seal, or fluid leak may reduce performance, or in severe cases, cause catastrophic system failure. One of the biggest challenges in hydraulic systems is heat generation. As hydraulic fluid moves through pumps, valves, and narrow passages under high pressure, friction converts part of the energy into heat. If the system overheats, the hydraulic oil begins losing important properties such as viscosity and lubrication capability. This reduces efficiency and increases wear on internal components. To prevent this, large hydraulic presses often use cooling systems that continuously remove excess heat and maintain stable operating temperatures. Fluid cleanliness is another critical factor. Hydraulic systems contain extremely precise moving parts, and even microscopic contaminants can damage valves, scratch cylinder surfaces, or wear down seals over time. Because of this, hydraulic presses use highly advanced filtration systems capable of removing tiny particles from the fluid. In industrial environments, the condition of hydraulic oil is monitored regularly, since contaminated fluid can quickly reduce both reliability and performance. Safety is also a major concern. Hydraulic presses generate such enormous force that accidents can be fatal within milliseconds. Modern systems therefore include multiple layers of safety protection. Pressure relief valves prevent dangerous overpressure conditions. Emergency stop systems can instantly halt piston movement, and sensors constantly monitor operating parameters. Many industrial presses are equipped with protective barriers, light curtains, and automatic shutdown systems designed to prevent human injury during operation. What makes hydraulic presses truly remarkable is the combination of raw force and precise control. They are not simply powerful machines, but highly engineered systems where fluid dynamics, material science, electronics, and mechanical engineering all work together. Every component must operate perfectly under extreme stress, and even small design improvements can dramatically increase efficiency, durability, and safety. At the core of all these advanced systems, however, the fundamental principle remains the same as it was centuries ago. Pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. From this relatively simple physical law emerged machines capable of shaping steel, crushing vehicles, manufacturing precision components, and powering some of the largest industries on Earth. The hydraulic press is a perfect example of how a basic scientific principle can evolve into a technology that transformed the modern industrial world.